we're gonna put his little shirt, his long sleeve shirt on because it's cold in the shade.
Do I get a pin?
You get one too, Cash.
Yeah. Do I get to keep it?
Cash.
Yeah, that means you're officially allowed in the park.
Yes, you do. Yeah.
Here, I'll wait till I get it.
Cool. Here's Liam's little pin. Let me see what the
How you pinhead.
It says, hold on, stay still. Jungle Cat World Wildlife Park. That's cool.
Oh, look at the wolf.
Yeah, this is up and close.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Raven and Loki.
Raven, Loki.
That's their names. Those are the best names, Raven and Loki. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at their paws. They're ready for their food, right? The guys come in with the food. Look, he knows. They're getting ready to eat food. So he's pacing. Wow, that is a beautiful lion. Isn't that a beautiful lion?
So
He's beautiful. Oh my gosh, I have to. This is like the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, it's a Casper. Steven, oh my gosh. Steven, oh my gosh, Steven. This is too cute. Steven, I'm dying right now. I can't take it. So cute. It's so cute.
Look at this guy.
It's Casper.
Hey, they're licking
Steven,
you.
it's Casper.
I know.
It's a bunny rabbit. Oh my gosh, Steven, I can't take how cute this is. I can't. It's Mr. Rabbit. It's Alice with Mr. Rabbit. Aww. Look at him. Guys, I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't. You don't understand. I can't take it. I love them all. I could just. I'm telling you, I can't. Steven, I love bunny rabbits. They're so cute.
I'm so glad they have places like this.
Oh my goodness. This bunny's going up to dad.
Oh man, just hold one.
Aw, Steven, the little baby. Aw.
A few moments later.
Wow. Wow. Oh. It sounds like thunder, huh? Oh, Allison. Shh.
Look at you, Cat.
No,
Oh,
shh.
Cash.
He's looking at Cash. Cash, hold your stare. Don't put your hand there.
He's looking.
Oh my gosh. He's looking at Cash.
That's cool.
That was cool. That was like thunder, right? Yeah. He wants to eat. She's very, very
They're
close.
playing, yeah.
Wow.
White lions.
Hi.
This one's cute.
Hi. Alice, careful. He's trying to spit. They're cute. Oh, the way he just looked at you like that. Look how cute the kids are with it. Oh,
He is so dirty though. Look at him.
aw.
Look at the dirt.
Hi.
Dad, look at him.
Oh, it's Pinocchio donkey. I always love donkeys. Look, they're the only animals that have a cross on their back because Jesus rode on with a donkey.
That's right, yeah.
They're special.
Look
Jesus
at his
loved
big
donkeys.
belly. Look at his big belly.
Hi.
I
Dad
know.
just
They look like they're pregnant.
They're so sweet looking. Aren't they the sweetest?
Yeah, they're the sweetest.
Look
Oh my
it.
gosh, Dusty. His name should be Dusty.
Dusty.
look at this.
Aww.
That's not happy, baby. Close to
He's so sad looking, but that's just the way they are.
That's the way they are.
Yeah.
Belly.
I
Heavy
know.
belly. Feel it.
Alice.
so the way he might be.
Yeah, but he was just scared because of the yelling.
Yeah, just here.
Cash and this llama. No, Cash, don't. No, Cash.
Dad versus.
Wait.
He's like, no,
No.
get away.
Steven, he don't
You want nothing to do with it.
like. Okay, yeah, they don't like it. Wait. Oh, he's hissing. Hi, Goose. Hi, Goose. Hi, Goose. Look at him, Steven. Steven, look at him. You're not allowed in my house. It says on the sign right there that you do not follow us in here.
Do not take one more step further.
Yeah.
They're all looking.
I could talk to animals. Did you hear I was squeaking? Mikey. Yeah. Oh. He's like, yeah, I remember you guys. I remember you guys. Look how cute they are. What? Wow, the light is better here. Oh, look it. Hi. Oh, look at him.
Oh, it's
Look at his little face. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. They look like a little bat. Like they got little bat faces. Look at them.
Oh, look at their toes.
Oh, he's a cutie.
Look at us.
You
Oh,
gotta look at their fingers and toes.
he's so cute.
That's neat.
Hi, bud.
You think he'd bite?
Aw.
There's a leopard right there too.
A leopard?
A leopard.
Animal.
Hi. Hi. Hey, be nice. Can you be nice? Can you be nice? Be sweet? Can you be sweet? Are you gonna be nice? Hey. You gonna be nice? I'm not gonna hurt you. Look. Hi, Mikey. Oh, yeah, Mikey. He's a good boy, Mikey.
We don't have any food.
Yeah.
It's the afternoon get together.
Oh, he spit on you, Gash. You got spitted on. It.
Look at that, buddy.
There you go, buddy. You can have it.
Oh, look what I got.
Okay, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh my God. Oh wait, just a minute. Oh wait.
You gotta open up the bag.
Wait, buddy. Wait, buddy. There's a mini, buddy.
You feeding Mikey? Let Steven have some.
Okay, buddy. Be calm. Okay.
Look at his mouth.
Okay.
Now you're nice.
Now they're nice. He didn't spit on you now. It feels cool.
Give me it, Ash. Give me some food. Okay, this is for you, buddy. You're
Aw. Steven.
Oh, I felt his teeth.
Oh.
Where'd you come from, little guy?
No touchy.
They don't like to be pet. Oh. I know that you love the donkeys, huh?
All dusty.
Aw.
I would break his back.
Hey, this ain't for you.
You can.
He's very dusty.
For you.
He eats so gently too.
The energy to go to the skate park now.
Cash, you want your hat now?
Whoa! Wait, stop, ready? Bad.
Stephen, you want to get double jump? Mom saying I'm going crazy.
I'm filming.
Yeah, come on.
No, wait, let me get out. Get me out. No.
This is awesome.
No. No.
I don't think I've ever been.
I wouldn't do
Cash, what flavor did you get?
Mint and then pumpkin pie.
Did you try the pumpkin pie?
Not yet.
Wow. Liam, what did you get? What flavor?
Banana.
Banana ice cream. What'd you get, Alice?
I got mint.
Mint, and then you got
Key lime pie.
key lime pie, and then I got
It's got pistachios in it. So good.
butter pecan mixed with cookie dough. So whose would you eat out of all of ours?